What's up YouTubers, Aldo SJ McLaren back with a brand new video for you here today. And what this is going to be today, guys, is an unboxing. So this past week I have been, in fact the past couple of weeks I have been very lucky with doing certain things, and this week on eBay I managed to find two particular belts. One is very rare to get on eBay these days. In fact, near enough impossible to get on eBay these days. And the second one you can buy on the WWE shop, no problem, if it's in stock. Now, I have only seen the pictures on this. I have not seen the full thing yet because I've not opened it at all. So, got the trusty little opening device here. So, I am going to get in there in front of you right here, and we're gonna do it together. So you see what I see. So, let's cut in. Very fragile. It is from our guys at Parcel Force, so yep, hopefully everything's okay, because we know certain things can be damaged from them. So not all of them, but some of them. Yep. Liking this. Really in there. Yeah. Oh, here we go. And what we got? What have we got? We have got... Okay. I got two belts here, guys. This is one of them. Well, I'll rephrase that, sorry. I got two belts this week from eBay, and I think I have both of them. If I have both of them, fantastic. If I have one of them, that's cool, that's fine. But if I have both of them in here, I'm going to wonder how the feck he got them both belts in here. But bear with me as I get them out. So, oh yes, oh yes. Two belts here. So I'm very happy, very happy. And wow, this is bubble wrapped again. Normally the guys at shop at WWE shop bubble wrap it to hell, but no, this has been bubble wrapped to hell here. So the first one I'm going to show you. Get me back here, and we are going to just reference it. Oh, that was easy. So, what this belt is, guys, from what I can feel of it, okay, this belt is on television at the moment, okay? This is on TV at the moment, and it has been in the possession of a very famous now pro wrestler from Air. So you guys know exactly what this is. This is the network logo version of the WWF WWE World Heavyweight Championship. So, am I ecstatic that I've got a Drew belt? You damn right I am. So, let's get this bad boy opened and get checked out. And it's an adult. I've not been duped. Woohoo! It's an adult. So, so I will be doing a review on this, guys, so bear with me. I'll be doing a more in-depth review. This is just the unboxing. So, as always, guys, WWF WWE Flashy on here to say it's the Authentics. And this is from the 2015 batch. So, there it is. And from what I can see, not a single stone out of place. So, happy days. I don't need to bring it closer to the camera because you know what this version is all about. At the moment, it's the most purchased version of the WWF WWE Championship on WWF WWE shop. One, or at least one of the most purchased versions, between this, the blue Universal, and I think it's the Winged Eagle is one of the most purchased belts. Now, I could be wrong. I would have to get Hazard F5 to confirm that for me, but I think I'm right with this. So I have the network logo that was introduced in 2014 when Brock Lesnar, the following night after SummerSlam, when Brock Lesnar beat John Cena for the WWF WWE World Heavyweight Championship. As everybody knows, they combined the big logo belt and the unforgettable big gold together, and this was born. So, gold tip on that. So, happy days were there. And like I say, I will be getting more in-depth review on this. So, everybody, bear with me in time. It will get done. But we're putting this to one side just now for the ultimate unveiling, because this belt I have been trying to get ready for the last 20 years. For the last 20 years, this is over a 20-year-old belt, and this is so crazy that I've been waiting over 20 years to get this belt. So bear with me. I'm gonna do another Hulkamania thing here. I'm hulking up, and I might get a little bit of the madness in here as well, as I unwrap this belt. But I also feel the power of the Ultimate Warrior. And woo! Do I feel like I'm going to Space Mountain tonight? Woohoo! And I feel the power of the dark side. And I think I will just open a couple of Steve Weisers here, and I'm done now. I'm done with the impressions. It's cool. It is WWF block logo. Oh, this could mean only one of 4 things. So let's get it open. Let's see if it's the real deal. Adult, yes. After all these impressions, I'm sure you guys know exactly what this is. And yes, I have gone on record and said this is one of the most overrated belts ever, but I am on cloud 99, not cloud 9, with this belt right now. It is the Winged Eagle WWF Championship. This is pretty cool, guys. As you all know, I do have a bootleg version, but in all honesty, I've been crying out for the real thing, because it's just not the same. And I will do a comparison. I will do a comparison between the bootleg and this bad boy. Now, unfortunately, it's not an F version on the back. It was produced in 2006, so I want to say it was produced between the years of 2004 and 2006, okay? And maybe it was like one of the last versions of the F logo before they went E. Now, it does have, Christ, it's still here. It has the WWF flashy, so it is Figures Inc., all there. F at the top. I am going to go into a more in-depth review on this, guys, so bear with me. Just bear with me, that will come. So, all the plates seem to be intact. There is a wee bit of scuffles here and there, but that's fine. I actually don't mind that. For being an over 20-year-old belt, well, more or less, produced in 2006, yeah, but it is more or less a 20-year-old belt, okay? I'm happy, I'm fine with that. That, to me, that's ring damaged. That's battle damage. That's what I call it. It's battle damage, so I'm fine with that. Fifth plate, WWF champion. Yes, I am. And I love how it's got a fantastic gold tip on it as well. I mean, it's over 20-year-old. It's bent. It's, you know, it's worn in. That's fine. I'm cool with that, guys. I'm absolutely cool with that because, like I say, it feels like it's ring worn. It feels like it's battle damaged. Am I gonna get it re-leathered? No, I'm not. I'm not gonna get it re-leathered because just not. It's not. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me on this special unboxing. To the person that sold me it on eBay, thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. And I'm going to do something here that I don't think's been done for quite a while. So, one of the most iconic professional wrestling championship belts from 1988 to 1998, okay? So you've got the Winged Eagle WWF Classic Championship, and you've got the current one. So, this is part of my Triple H collection. If anybody knows anything about Triple H, they know that he has actually got every version of the WWF WWE Championship, including his own big gold, in his office at Titan Towers in Stamford, Connecticut. And I am trying to do a Triple H collection. Now, as far as the Bruno Sammartino belt, as far as Bob Backlund's green belt, as far as Buddy Rogers' belt, I might have to go bootleg with that, but that's fine. I don't mind that. That's just one of these things. But I'm very, very happy to have these as part of my Triple H collection and overall in my collection with the replicas. So, yeah, this is getting awkward. So I'm putting this down. So, thank you so very much for joining me here, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the more in-depth review. And as always, guys, you stay safe, you stay awesome, and good journey, guys. Bye.